How to fix Ethernet connection in Windows 10. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we will guide you through on how we can fix Ethernet connection on Windows 10. So let's go ahead and look out on how we can fix that on our Windows. So before that, don't forget to hit that like, share and subscribe icon, and also turn on the notification bell to get updated about the latest videos. First of all, head over and open up your settings on your device. After opening up your settings, you're going to locate the option called Network and Internet here on your screen. Just go ahead and open up the Network and Internet settings on your screen. After opening it up, you're going to locate the option called Adapters here. You may just go ahead and go to the Advanced Settings. So you can find this Network Reset option. We're going to go ahead and reset the network on our device. After that is done, after you are done resetting, just close your settings. After closing your settings, the next method we can apply is heading over to the device manager. Just go ahead and open up your device manager and go to the network adapter settings. So you're going to go ahead and select your network adapter. For example, this one right here, you're going to select the network adapter that you have, and you're going to go to the properties of that network adapter by right clicking on it. After going there, you will be finding this on your screen. So you're going to look out for this option here, Advanced. Just go ahead and click on it. And after clicking on Advanced, after it is done, you will just go ahead and locate the option called driver, and you're gonna go ahead and update your driver of your Windows. Just go on with the process, select updating driver. It may take a while for the driver to be updated completely. Just wait for the update of the driver to be completed, and after that is done, just go ahead and close up your device manager from your screen. Just go ahead and cancel each of your device manager, and that should probably fix your issue. Otherwise, head over to your settings again, and after going to settings, open up network and internet again. And after going to the network and internet, this time we're gonna locate the option called proxy here, which is on the left side of the screen. And after going to the proxy, we're gonna turn off this option, which is automatically detect settings. Just go ahead and turn it off from your device. After that is done, that should probably fix your issue. Other than that, just go ahead on your taskbar and right click on it and open up your task manager. Just open up your task manager. After the task manager appears on your screen, go ahead to file and run new task, and this will appear on your screen. So you're gonna type in here the prompt that I'm showing on my screen right now. Just go ahead and type it, and after that click on browse. Just go ahead and copy this one right here and go ahead and browse it. After it is browsed, you're gonna go ahead and go to your local disk C or Windows C. After that, go ahead and locate Windows here, and under here we're gonna locate the option called System 32. Just scroll down a bit until you are able to find System 32 on your screen. Go ahead and locate it, open up, double click on it and open up your System 32, and here we're gonna locate the option CMD, and we're gonna open CMD from our file manager. We're just gonna scroll down a bit. It is a bit down after all the files will be gone. You're just gonna scroll down a bit until you're able to find it. Just go ahead and locate the CMD, which is command prompt on your Windows. Just go ahead and look out for it and wait for it to be appearing on your screen. Just go ahead and open it, and this will appear on your screen right here. Just wait for it to load it on your screen first. And then after that is done, you're gonna type in the prompt that I'm showing on my screen right now first of all, which is this netshindip reset and reset log.txt. Just go ahead and copy it, hit enter, and this will appear on your screen. So you're just gonna go ahead and enter, and again type in netshwinshock .reset and go ahead and enter again, and this will appear again. So after this appears, you're gonna type in ipconfigure. Just go ahead and type in that, and slash and flush DNS. Just type in that, and for it to work properly, you must restart the computer. You can see that prompt right here. Just follow the order, restart your computer, and that should fix your issue. So that is how you fix your issue. So follow the steps. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.